Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable responsive layout with CSS Grid, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable a responsive layout with CSS Grid, start by setting up your HTML structure. Create a container element that will hold your grid items. Inside the container, add several child elements that will serve as the grid items. Next, open your CSS file or embed a style tag in your HTML. Target the container by using its class or ID in your CSS. Set the display property of the container to grid. Define the number of columns in your grid using the grid template columns property. Use the fraction unit to create a responsive layout. For example, setting grid template columns to repeat, autofill, min-max, 250px, 1fr, allows for flexibility. Next, adjust the row heights with the grid autorows property if needed. Consider adding gaps between the grid items using the grid gap or gap property. Now, move on to media queries to enhance responsiveness for different screen sizes. Set breakpoints in your CSS to change the grid layout for various devices. For example, you might want to switch to a single column layout on smaller screens. Within each media query, redefine the grid template columns to suit the new layout. Testing your layout is crucial. Open your web page in different screen sizes to check its responsiveness. Make any necessary adjustments to your CSS based on your observations. Finally, ensure that your grid items are visually appealing and accessible. With these steps, you have successfully enabled a responsive layout using CSS Grid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.